again, this is our 3/4 inch flexible metallic conduit. You're going to want yourself some 3/4 inch flex anti-short bushings. That's going to protect your wires from the sharp metal edge from causing a ground fault. Then you're also going to want your standard connectors. So here are my connectors. Take your anti-short bushing, put it in there like so. Put up their connector. And tighten this set screw down. Holds it nice and secure, and again, you got that nice red plastic inside there protecting your wires from getting scraped by that metal conduit. Also, you'll be able to see from the side angle that there is a red anti-short bushing in there, which is what an inspector is going to be looking for.